Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the NTDLL.DLL error on your Windows. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. There is just a very simple resolution for this. In the Windows search bar, type CMD on the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to type this command as C /scan now. Now this process will take some time depending on the process of your Windows. So once you type SFC /scan now, then you have to simply hit the enter button on your keyboard. So this will start scanning for and repairing any system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So what we can do for now is we need to wait for this. We need to patiently wait for this so that we can run the second command after with the SFC scan. Okay, so let's just wait for this in a while. Now once done, type the second command, dism /online /clean up dash image /restore health. So just do the same thing as what I have done. It's dism /online /cleanup dash image /restore health. Hit enter. And this process will also take some time. There is no specific duration for this, but here's a tip. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, just continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you because there are some users that get stuck at a certain percentage and they don't know what to do, so just simply continuously press the space key. And once this goes up to 100%, again, do not close this window unless it is completed. And once this is completed, close out of here. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.